family is married. I had a lot of fun. It's just with my breathing problem. As you can see, I had a breathing problem just a while. This happens a lot for 5 years. Sometimes this gets a lot more, then it's very hard for me to breathe. It's been like this for 5 years. And continuing. Nothing has worked. And now, I have nothing else to do. So now, all I have to do is just hope for the best for this to stop. Also, this has been going on all day. It goes every 3 or 8 minutes. So, there's been a lot for this breathing problem. And sometimes at night, when I go to bed at night, sometimes I couldn't breathe out my nose and had a hard time breathing. Well, that's all I have to say to you. See you next time.